How's it going? What's up, blessed beautiful souls? Kiara DeCass here today with the Crypto Bliss Show. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for being here, and hope you're all having a how's it lekker day. That was a South African saying. So thank you for being here with me. Really blessed, beautiful community. And yeah, let's not waste any time. Guys, you know, Bybit link down below. If you want to trade and make some money with me, then go and hit my Bybit link down in the description below. You can get yourself up to $30,000 deposit bonus. The coin that I'm going to bring to you today on this show is a very high risk coin. It's newly launched, but it is part of the gaming sector and it has a massive potential ahead of it. So let us not waste any time on this video. Let's go and have a look at this video. Let's go and see what this coin's all about, and let's go and see the potential that this coin can bring to us in this market. Okay, so yeah, guys, please, if you want more coins like this, the thing that I'm going to ask you to do for me and this community channel is to like the channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and of course, share with other people if you think that these are cool projects. Please, guys, you know that all of that helps the channel grow. Okay. So thanks for being here with me. Today, this coin that I'm going to be talking about is games for a living. So this was brought to us by somebody in the community as well, because I did this video over here for the community. Where was it? Yeah, I did top 10 gaming coins for crypto and for 2023 and 2024 that you want to get yourself into. And essentially, somebody in the crypto space brought this one up. But I've never heard of it, so I am not sponsored by anyone. I'm not doing anything for anyone. I am just sharing the video, and I'm doing technical analysis because my community is talking to me. They're asking me what they want as well. And I won't necessarily do every video that you all comment on for something, but I will work very hard towards bringing out TA on these specific projects, okay? On projects that you guys ask for. So there's no rank on CoinGecko yet. That's its logo, that's its name, Games for a Living, and that's its ticker, gfal. Its current price is 2085. It's up 2% for the day. It's on a small 2,381 people's watch list, and for being out since the end of April, okay, that's when it launched. For being out since the end of April, this is insanely picked up. I mean, that's like 3 weeks and we're on nearly 2,500 people's watch lists. That's saying something, guys. So it is a project to look out for. The maximum supply is 10 billion. The total supply is 10 billion. It doesn't say anything about circulation supply yet. It doesn't say anything about market cap, so I can't give you anything there. But I would presume if the trading volume is sitting at just under 500,000 and the fully diluted valuation is already at 84 million, that I would presume that the market cap is plus minus about that 80 million mark. So that is poquinho small, este. So you can see here that that's the max. Literally, it was launched less than 30 days ago, when 13th of April. So 27 days ago we're not even a month into this coin, and we already got 2,381 people. That's like 100 people a day that are actually adding this project to their watch list. So that's pretty fast growing already, guys. We're only down 35% from the all-time high up here, which is not too bad. So we're not too concerned about that. Oh, sorry, that's the all-time low. We're 86% above the all-time low, but we're 35% above from the all-time high, excuse me. So market cap, you can see there's no information here, so I can't really give you anything, but as I say, about 80 million is more or less the mark. So let's go and see what this project is and what it's about. I've actually added it to my bookmarks because I do think it has some sort of potential, but here's the disclaimer that they're also giving you. Investing in crypto assets is unregulated, may not be suitable for retail investors, and the full amount invested may be lost. It is important to read and understand the risks of the investment, which are explained in detail at this location. So go and read that if you want. But here are the games that this is already that already has. They've got a gfal token. The network is Web3 Games Tools, Marketplace, Games Launcher. Here's the company, the team, the roadmap, and the careers. If you really want, I can show you the team. I haven't looked at them myself. There's developers, and you can change the language on the channel. So what is gfal? So welcome to Games for a Living, brought to you by the gaming industry leaders. So here's the latest news. So it's on the Samsung Galaxy Store launch, which is amazing. The pre-sale was sold out, which is even more beautiful. So well done to you guys. And that was on the 13th of March. And then this is Trip Hawkins, the co-founder and CSO. So I don't know who this is, but Games for a Living welcomes a new CSO with open arms, and we are excited to birth a new future with the Web3 gaming. So these are the games. Elemental Raiders. So it looks like a card battler, and you can go and check out the website. And then Diamond Dreams. So this looks great. Match 3 Switcher. So not sure what that would be about, but yeah, that would be very interesting. Season 1 Veiled Gods. So this is the Elemental Raiders. So you can come over here, have a look at it, and you can watch the video for yourselves, guys. I'm not going to show you the video on the channel. Fight, win, and earn. So Hero Battler, PvE versus PvP, and you got true ownership. So, jeez, guys, it looks amazing. I mean, jeez, the stuff is wonderful so far. I mean, it really is so awesome. So Diamond Dreams, a new take on Switcher games. Collect outstanding jewels, mint and trade NFTs. This sounds something to me that would be really interesting. So that for me, I would look at. So I'll go and have a look at that a little bit later. This is the team. Manal Sort, CEO. You can go and check them out on LinkedIn. I'm not going to show you. Trip Hawkins, like we just saw. Javier Leon, Christian Gascons, Mark Torno. I don't know any of them, but look how big this team is already, guys. So this is the team, the internal team, and then here is the external team. So yeah, guys, if you're a developer, go and check them out. Go and see what they're all about. You can see them on social media platforms here, and you can go and read the white paper there. For me, guys, this project looks actually really good. So it's starting to look even better than when I started. We create original IP gaming experiences that are available across multiple platforms, bridging the gap and cross-platform. So developing games for PC, console with a strong emphasis on mobile platforms. Most games are going to become mobile because that's where people spend most of their time. Games are also released in Web 2 versions and solving the accessibility issue. We are building games for a living network which makes blockchain features accessible to everyone. So it's simple and secure login, easy cash in and cash out. You can pay with your credit card or directly to your wallet. One ecosystem token, which is the gfal, tax management, which is pretty cool. And basically, you can see here that these are obviously their partners, Kronos, which is amazing. So there's a lot of stuff here that they are part of. So, and even Hodl Ventures, check at that, guys, check at that. So this project definitely has a lot of potential. So make sure to get yourself into the project. No financial advice. Let's go and have a look at the chart. Right now, the chart is coming to an oversold point on the daily time frame. On the RSI, the volume is a little bit lower. We've had really just a strong pullback here. So if we end up breaking that zone here, we'll probably come and test the top here. And as you can see, there's a lot of resistance through this level. So I'll pull that across there because we pumped from the bottom through the top and pulled right back down underneath this box. I didn't draw another box for you under this level, although this is probably where you would draw your box. So I normally draw, if you guys want to know, I normally draw my boxes from the wick to the average candle close line. You can see how perfect those actually end up being. So that for me gives us the support and resistance levels. So guys, if we end up breaking this, then this upward sloping channel, you can see it's a bit of a triangle, then the likelihood is we'll probably come and retest this zone again, which is not going to be good, but it's okay. That will be an incredible accumulation space for here, especially considering that the market cap is about 80 million at this point. So for me, if we end up breaking this zone here, then we'll probably push up here, kind of fiddle around, and then we'd have to make a decision if we were going to break down or up again. If we were going to break up, we'll probably break through, hit the top here, pull back again, and then from there try and hopefully find some support, and then carry on and continue to new higher highs, right? So wouldn't that be very interesting, right? So currently right now, there's not much information to share with you, but I'm going to say to you, if we're sitting at let's go and have a look here. Let's go and have a quick squiz here. See, even Brave is bringing this stuff on. Let's go and have a look at the categories on CoinGecko. And I actually want to show you some of the gaming coins. Okay, so where's gaming? Here, gaming and GameFi. Okay, so just have a look at the total market cap of gaming. It's about $9.8 billion at the moment. Okay, it previously has been way higher than this. And essentially, even if we have to, I mean, right now we're saying we're sitting at about an $80 million level. So we probably we're probably sitting at around this level. So you can see there that we're kind of about my neighbor Alice and Inbox and Smooth Love Potion. We're kind of around those levels. So very interesting to see that. Do I believe that when the market pumps, that gaming will go and pump even harder? I believe that gaming could probably get to about a $500 billion market cap in the near term future and probably in the next bull run quite easily. So I want to say to you, especially with these kind, Gala, Magic, ApeCoin, Spider Tanks, Nakamoto, I mean, guys, Internet Computer, Sandbox, Axie, Immutable, Floki, Engine. I mean, do you really want me to carry on? Okay, so if we have to say that it has to come anywhere near, I'm not saying it will steal the top position. That's not what I'm saying. But I'm saying if we had to hit let's just say a 2.2 or $2.5 billion market cap on this coin, let's go and see essentially what that would do for us in terms of a gain. Because if the total market cap ends up going to $500 billion, I wouldn't be surprised if a coin like this hit $2.5 billion. So $2.5 billion divided by, let's call it 80 million, like we said, that's there. So that would give us a 31x from where we are right now. And we would times the price 0.00856. That would give us a 26 cents to 36, 26 to 30 cent price. That would be pretty doable for this coin. I do see that. Honestly, I would say that this coin could probably hit $1 in the future without a doubt. And if we look at the likes of Sandbox and where we at, Sandbox is at 50 cents, Axie's at $6.84, Immutables at 74 cents, Engines at 34 cents, Illuvium's at $45. So you see what I'm saying to you guys, there is massive potential here for growth. And I just need you to know that this video isn't sponsored, but I wanted to share this with you because I love my community. I love all of you and I appreciate all of you. And I thank you very much. And the best thing that you could do for me is hit the thumbs up on the video. 10 likes on this video, please, guys. Let's do it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.